Welcome back to the channel where horsepower meets passion and the road becomes a playground. If you're new here, get ready for the most thrilling rides, the boldest designs, and everything that makes cars more than just machines. You're watching the ultimate spot for car lovers and adrenaline junkies. Let's get into it. The 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 isn't just a car, it's a statement, a roar, a legacy of American muscle that's been reborn once again with even more fire under the hood. For those who thought the Shelby lineup had already peaked, Ford just pulled back the curtain on something that might be the most aggressive, most advanced GT500 ever built. And let's just say, it's not here to play nice, from the outside. The 2026 Shelby GT500 looks like it's ready to rip the pavement apart. The redesigned body still pays homage to the Mustang DNA, but it's sharper, wider, lower, and more aerodynamic than ever. The front fascia now features a massive carbon fiber splitter, new LED lighting with a sinister gaze, and air intakes that look like they could swallow entire birds whole. Around back, that massive quad exhaust setup and the new active rear windscreen track focus. This isn't just styling, it's built with performance in mind. Under the hood is where the real monster lives. Ford has taken the supercharged 5.2-liter Predator V8 and tuned it to deliver a jaw-dropping 800 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, 800. It's paired with a new 8-speed dual-clutch transmission that shifts faster than ever before, giving you lightning-fast launches and the ability to carve corners with surgical precision. 0 to 60, around 3 seconds flat, top speed. Let's just say it's knocking on the door of 200 miles per hour. What's even more exciting is the engineering evolution. The 2026 GT500 features a lighter chassis thanks to even more use of carbon fiber and aluminum components. Ford has managed to shave off nearly 200 pounds compared to the last generation, improving everything from cornering agility to acceleration. And with the new MagneRide suspension system upgraded for 2026, this Shelby isn't just fast in a straight line, it's a beast on the track. Step inside and the cabin hits the perfect mix of race-ready and tech-savvy. Recaro performance seats hug you like a second skin, while the flat-bottom steering wheel with carbon accents puts control at your fingertips. A fully digital gauge cluster 13-inch touchscreen with the latest SYNC interface, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and even a Bang & Olufsen premium audio system make it just as exciting on your commute as it is on the quarter mile. And yes, the 2026 GT500 comes with multiple drive modes including normal, sport, track, drag strip, and even a custom mode for when you want to fine-tune every aspect of your drive. Whether you're tearing through winding mountain roads or launching down a runway, this car adjusts to your mood with shocking accuracy. One of the boldest additions this year is the optional carbon track pack. With it, you get 20-inch carbon fiber wheels, massive Brembo brakes, and Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires that grip like glue. Combine that with aggressive aero and a track-tuned suspension, and you've got one of the most capable production Mustangs ever built. Of course, all this power and tech comes at a price, starting in the low 90s and climbing well past the 110 mark. With packages, the 2026 GT500 isn't cheap. But let's be real, it was never meant to be. This is a halo car, a showcase of what Ford performance can really do when it's not holding back. And if you're lucky enough to see one on the road, you're watching the future of muscle in motion. Whether you're a Mustang purist or someone who's just discovering the thrill of American performance, the 2026 Shelby GT500 is impossible to ignore. It's loud, it's proud, and it doesn't care what you think. It's the kind of car that leaves a mark not just on the road, but on anyone who gets behind the wheel. If you like this deep dive into the new Shelby GT500, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more raw reviews and epic rides. And as always, keep your eyes on the road and your foot on the gas. Until next time, drive fast, live loud.